everybody, we've got a pretty special unboxing video today. This is the personal platinum card from American Express. This is one of the most high-end personal credit cards that just basically anybody can apply for. So with this $550 annual fee, gets overnighted in this nice fancy box. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, beautiful. So that's nice. If you saw my last Amex card unboxing video, the Hilton Aspire card, I had to dig around a little bit to find the card. So it's really nice that it's right on top for this one. Flip the card back, and we've got the benefit guides inside. And of course this covers a lot of the benefits of the card. That Uber credit is up to $200 a year. The Saks Fifth Avenue credit is up to $100 a year. Really nice that you get 2 different mid-tier hotel statuses, the Hilton Gold and Marriott Gold. Those are pretty valuable just on their own. Of course, a Priority Pass Select membership, the $100 Global Entry or TSA PreCheck credit, $200 annual airline fee credit, and that's just kind of the tip of the iceberg, honestly. This is probably one of the best credit cards that exists for lounge access. Not only do you have that Priority Pass Select membership, but you have access to the Amex Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs when you fly Delta, airspace lounges, and there are really quite a few more. The sign-up bonus is really great on this card too. Right now it's at 75,000 points is the public offer, and you're earning 10 points per dollar for the first 6 months on gas stations and grocery stores, and that's capped at 15,000 points. And then, like this card says, 5 points per dollar, that applies to airfare directly with airlines, and 5 points per dollar on hotels booked through Amex Travel. This going back to the Global Lounge Collection, $200 airline fee credit, which we already kind of covered. Amex Global Dining Collection, it's another thing you have access to. Fine Hotels and Resorts program is another really cool thing that comes along with this card. It's sort of like if you had status with a hotel chain, even if you don't, you can get additional nights free depending on the offer. Sometimes free breakfast, various on-property credits, room upgrades, that sort of thing. So it does add a lot of value. And there's the card for the Uber credit. We already talked about that. Oh, for referrals, of course. It really is pretty to look at. Not that is the most important thing about it, but yeah, so you really do kind of get a lot of value out of this card. Yeah, it is a $550 a year fee, but when you look at all the credits and everything that comes with it, and the things you have access to, the hotel status, the Amex membership rewards program is really great. Got 19 airline transfer partners. It's really a great card if you are serious about travel. So that's it. That's my unboxing video. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we vomit some content into that big toilet we lovingly call the internet.